Hello everyone, please go and find the truck with me. Wow! Only 3? A lot of truck. Oh my god! Oh, cool! Oh my god! Yes! I like this one. I like that one. Yeah, it is city clean car. Wow, it's a semi-Rubicon truck. Oh my god, this is dump truck. And yellow one is also dump truck. Oh, this is yeah, it is like a Rubicon and excavator and excavator. Oh, cool! Let's pick up with me, everyone. Yeah. Wow. Cool. Yes. I like this one. I pick up this one first. Okay. Yeah. Then I got a city clean car. Wow. Oh my god. It is nice day for me. Yeah. I got 2. Then I got another one is yeah. It is wow. Heavy truck. It's called excavator. Wow. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, and this is I pick up a Rubicon truck. It is nice car. Wow. I got another one here. Yeah, and then I pick up this one. Okay, it is dump truck. Okay, yeah, so cool. And I keep it here. Wow. Another one here. Wow, this is a Rubicon. Oh my goodness, so cool. So I keep it here. Yes. Wow, nice. Wow, yes. Oh my god, is this like yeah, what is it called? Truck got 2 and supercar. Okay, so I get it here. Alright, let's go and find some more. Wow, it is a bulldozer. Oh, it's 1.4. Yes, it is. Wow, I keep it here. It's like wow, so many. Yeah, and not the one is full here. It's dump truck. Wow, so nice. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What is called? Is it Rubicon? Yeah. Wow. Nice. Yeah. It's supercar. Yeah. Wow. So cool. Another one is dump truck. Very high. Wow. Cool. Yeah, and last is what is this? Yeah. Wow. So nice. It's like yeah, heavy truck. Excavator. Wow. I pick up a lot of truck from the tree. Okay. Yeah. Wow. It is like excavator 1. Yeah. 2 excavator and 3 Rubicon. Yeah, it's zip car. Then I got 2, 3. Yeah, 2, 3 dump truck. And I got 1 green car and 1, 2, 3, 4 dump truck. Yes, 1 supercar. And yeah, that's all. Thank you everyone.